Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to transfer money from a Greendot to Greendot. Okay, so basically to another Greendot card. First you need to log into the Greendot app. Just go to pay and then just click on send money and then go ahead and add recipients. Of course, this must be another green card holder. Then you just need to go ahead and enter the info requested, right? Go ahead and enter who it is, the amount, and then if you want to add a memo, you can do that. And then just go ahead and once you have confirmed everything, just click on send money to complete the transaction. It's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.